bachata class. So we started with 1, 2, 3. Gentlemen, lift your left 4. Turn your partner. 5, 6. Pizza hand. Turn yourself. 7. Tap 8. We're going to leaders left, ladies right. Turn your ladies. Gentlemen, do a backwards turn to your right. That's 1. Change hands. 2, 3. Connect. 4. So now we're right to right. Hand goes over the lady's head for a turn. 5, 6, 7. Lift 8. And here come yourself, gentlemen. Cross body hug. 1, 2, 3. Change sides. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to sway. Remember, guys, we're creating that frame there. You're going to lift one elbow, drop the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's kind of a figure 8 motion with your hands. Tapping. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate. 5, 6. Hand on the hip. So left hand goes to the lady's hip. Push the hip so the lady steps back. Ladies back, forward, do half a turn. And ladies tap on the left. Guys, you're going to change to be on ladies timing. Basic. I think this is 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to give the lady 2 turns to come out of this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're done. Alright guys, but that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class.